crafting journey here, that journey chick on Instagram. I have a Dreamer Design unboxing for you. Actually, I did buy more than one. So you'll see another one coming, and a Diamond Art Club or two. Yeah. So let's start with this one because by far this is my favorite. I'm so excited. This was a Black Friday purchase. Yep. Buy one, get one 70% off. So I prefer to think of this as just getting 35% off each one, which was the same deal that Diamond Art Club had. So I got 35% off of this canvas. And of course, it came beautifully packaged in an outer cardboard box, so as not to crush this particular box at all. So it has this clear cellophane on the outside of it. On the front, it's very well branded, DIY art. On the back, you have the steps to diamond painting, all of the contents of the box. There are features on one side of the box and reasons to diamond paint on the other side. Let's see. Reduces stress and anxiety, improves your focus, helps your fine motor skills. That arthritis that we all have helps that. Increases your social circle. Definitely, I have found way more friends with this craft, and helps to spark creativity. Okay. Who knew? And it's got this lovely handle here. Just an extra feature that I happen to love. All right, we don't need the scissors anymore. Okay. I'm so excited for this one. It is a Christmas one, I will tell you that. So probably not going to get done till next Christmas. The image is on the end of the box so that when you put it away, you know, on your shelf of all the other diamond paintings, yeah, you can see which one this is. That's a nice feature. And it comes in this gorgeous bag, which I love. So nothing left in the box. We can get rid of that. But look at the bag. It's also branded Dreamer Designs. Now, I will tell you very quickly, I am an affiliate. I have a code that's down in the description. It is good for first-time buyers. Yeah. So if you have not purchased a Dreamer Design, use my code. Yeah. But the sales have been so good. Who needs a code, right? We do not need a reason to purchase. But if you needed one, here you go. This beautiful ribbon that they put around the canvas. And it is this gorgeous, kind of a nylonish feel of a canvas. I would not say that this is a soft lint canvas, but it is a nice canvas. It has the serrated edges. See how it, yeah, that's serrated, so that it prevents fraying. Now, also has the drills. It has a branded toolkit. So we'll get rid of the bag. The drills have the name of the kit. The name of this kit is Gingerbread Lighthouse. So it has the name of the kit here, Gingerbread Lighthouse. Look at those pretty colors. They're all individually wrapped. There they are. We'll take a look at those later on during the video. You will see footage of the drills. Let's take a look at the Cool Kit Toolkit. Yeah, I haven't had a Dreamer Design that I've opened in a while. I've had one sitting over there that I need to unbox, just haven't done it. I'm putting the Christmas ones ahead of it. Yes, why not? My co-host, Stitch, part of the Crafty Cat duo, is sleeping in his box. All right, let's take a look and see what we're getting in the toolkit these days. We're gonna just kind of dump it all out here. Yep. All right, so we get a package of baggies that you can use when you kit down. You can put your leftover drills in these baggies and whatever system that you may have for saving drills. Now this toolkit is set up in a very special way, and I do love this about Dreamer Design. It's set up for you to diamond paint with a friend or loved one. If you gave this for someone for Christmas, both you and your special person would each get a wax, a pen. There's one set of tweezers that you can share. You would each get a little squishy to go on the pen. You would each get a little tray with a funnel that is also branded Dreamer Design. And the two of you could sit and diamond paint. Now you might have to argue over the tips because you get a fat 4-placer, which I don't use, a fat 3-placer. I don't use. My sister does use them though. She likes them. And you get a straightener. So one of you could have the 4-placer, one of you could have the 3-placer. One of these pens is a normal single place pen, metallic. The other one is a plastic. These are kind of cute, cool. These are kind of cool. Yeah. So it's designed so that you can diamond paint with a friend. I love that. I love that idea. So you're sitting there Christmas Eve, you get out this gingerbread house painting, and you each get a toolkit, and you can diamond paint with your friend. Sing Christmas carols, you know, do whatever. Have Hallmark on in the background, or one of those virtual fireplaces. Yeah, so let's take the ribbon off. More for the cats to play with. Yep. All right. So you do get, like I said, this serrated edge. You get a long key. I call it a schematic. Some people call it a key, a legend, whatever you want to call it. It has 50 colors. So all the colors are listed in this legend on the bottom right. And then as we unroll this, it's going to be one on the top left of this canvas. So let's unroll it. I am going to, it is poured glue, so you can roll it backwards. As you're unrolling it, there is another legend that you can use. You don't have to put it through your Xyron sticker maker. You can just use your scissors, cut it up, and put it on your storage system. I will show you that in a second. Also, as you're unrolling, you get a flyer. I did not realize this was so big. And in the center of everything is a foam roller. The cats love these. Yeah, these center foam rollers. Yep. All right, so while this is relaxing, let's take a look at the flyer. It has all of your instructions for diamond painting, and it has all the ways you can reach Dreamer Designs on social media, including they have a Facebook page. Yep, and they do giveaways on their Facebook page. So don't forget to join the Facebook page. All right, let's take a look. Did I mention you get baggies? Yeah, I think I did. Oh, here's the legend. All 50 colors. Yep. And, oh my goodness. Oh, this is new, guys. They're keeping up with Diamond Art Club. I like that. So you don't have to get your scissors out. They're all individually cut, pre-cut. So you can just peel them off one at a time. Oh my God, how much do I love that? No more Xyron sticker maker, no scissors where we're, you know, that took hours, hours. They're making this process, kitting up so easy for us. And then at the bottom, there's some blank ones in case you want to write in. Maybe you're going to use some special drills. You could write those in right there. Yep. Love it. All right, here we go, guys. The gingerbread house. Let me move my microphone gently. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. I don't want to... Okay. Here is the canvas, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the gumdrops leading up to the house. There's a lighthouse behind the gingerbread house. All of those decorated trees. Are they decorated? Well, one is decorated. This one is decorated. The rest are not. But it has recently snowed. So look at that. Look at the nighttime sky. The clouds. Oh. And I don't know if you can see it, but right down here is a little boat in the background, a sailboat. How cool is that? Also over here, there's a cardinal. Yep. This is gorgeous. I did not realize it was so big. Now on this canvas, like I said, in the bottom right is your schematic over here. Remember I said when we unroll it, you'll have the schematic here on the upper left. You also have the name of the painting. On Dreamer Designs, they're in the upper right with a thumbnail, the name of the artist. This is legally licensed artwork by Alan. I'm not familiar with this artist. Gianna. Alan Gianna. This is 80 by 60 centimeters. 80 by 60 centimeters. I love the gumdrops. Gumdrops are on the roof of the lighthouse. You've got a wreath here. You've got gumdrops on the roof of the house. There's a little mailbox here. Gumdrop path, which leads to my car. Yeah, so I can come and go at this house anytime I want. Yes, beautiful. And love this cardinal sitting. This right here is a painting in and of itself right here. People will buy this as a painting, this cardinal. And now you have it with the gingerbread houses. Plus the sky, the lake, the boat. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Now, hold on. I'm going to look at it face on so I can see if I've told you about everything. Oh, the gumdrops, the decorated tree. Oh, so beautiful. This might not be a mailbox. It might just be a big old gumdrop because there's a big red one there and a yellow one there and a green one. So maybe they just fell off the house. I don't know. There's a red and white wreath here. So pretty. All right, let's get the drills out, shall we? Let me just say this painting is round. I don't usually order round paintings. It's not my preference, but I just loved the image here. So we will put that aside. Here are all the drills. Now, I'm gonna say, if I was a betting person, there's no 310. That's my bet. Or very little 310. I'm gonna say it's all, a lot of the major color is this blue background here. And that would be one of the 800s, right? No, 3842. This one right here, 3842, guys. So it does have some Aurora Borealis. There's 3 of them, 4 of them. Oh, 5 of them? No. What? 5 ABs, guys. What? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you get a white, you get 2 bags of the white AB, and you will get close-ups of these. 2 bags of the white AB, 1 of the red, 1 of the yellow, 1 of the green, and 1 of the blue. These are all special drills here. Gorgeous. Oh my God. Of course, the most is the white. Of course. Now, tagging along is some orange and blue, but these are not ABs. They're just colorful, really, really colorful. Oh, loving it. Okay, this is the blue I told you. This in the sky, that 3846. There's some 37.99, which is a darker color, but I'm not seeing 310. We have that's kind of a darkish brown here. More of this 37. Wait a minute, hold on. This is 3842, which is a blue. This is 3760, which is also a blue. Just not quite as dark. There they are together. Yeah, one has got more of a greenish tint than the other. Nice. There's some more of that one. Oh, wow. Okay, they're falling. They're trying to fall. Here, as we get to the smaller amounts, there are some really pretty colors here. 829, which is a very dark, dark blue. Lots of blues. Lots of greens here. Oh, a mint green. That's really pretty. I am really liking this. Yep. So a lot of this 762, which is just gray, which is because the snow gets a little dirty. Yeah. So that's what that's for. Or it could be the house itself. I don't know. 803 here. Lots of 803. 3 bags of 803. Another blue. So I was correct, guys. No 310. Yay. Oh, I'm wrong. There is 310. Where is it? It's here. I found it. This much 310. This is it. One little bag. Like, not even as big as the big bags. Like half a bag of 310. Yep. Loving this peach right here. Really. This is the, I think right here is where we're getting into the house colors here. The burnt oranges and sort of the gingerbread kind of colors. And then the last strip is just these small little amounts of color that you need in different places to bring out the highlights of the painting. I hope you enjoyed the Gingerbread Lighthouse by Alan Gianni. Dreamer Design. Check that out. 60 colors, 5 of which are Aurora Borealis. Yes. So excited. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.